Whoa! I'm surprised it hasn't caught fire yet. Look at that chunk of ice. Oh, it's more like a sheet of ice. Very thin, very cool. It's also not meant to happen. So I'm led to believe... Ah, silence. All the ice has melted. Ah, Samsung, you've done it again. That's just fan mode. It's really good because up under here, there's the antivirus filter, which I got a bit of a laugh out of. But more importantly, the thermostat sits there, which, you can't see it, but the fins back there are all metal fins for cooling, efficient cooling. So that all ices up and the thermostat gets ice on it. So I don't know if that's the best place to put the thermostat. I mean, if that's the room temperature thermostat there, then we've got a problem. I don't know, it's been a pretty good air conditioner. I didn't actually really use it that much, but it's good to see. Whoever installed it didn't give a rat's ass about what they were doing. Anyway, we'll see how we go with clean air filters. It's probably the drainage pipe though, it needs to be reconnected or something. Fun, fun, fun. Why are you watching this? Leave a comment.